Got a new item in the mail. Man, this looks like a license plate holder. What is it? What is this? It's an iPhone holder. Believe it or not, I have gravitated from my cameras back to the iPhone as a camera that I use much more frequently. And if you watch the Apple ads, they're using different holding devices. I had some videos there. Go to my Margarita Showcase Homes. I filmed it with my phone because I really didn't plan on bringing a camera and all that to a walk through a showcase home. And I found my fingers kept getting on, the video would show a finger in the corner of the shot. It just was embarrassing. So I got this Ulanzi, it's called the U-Rig Pro Smartphone Video Rig. Let's open it and see what it looks like. I hate unboxing videos, so I just unwrapped it, stuck my phone in it. But I think I have the phone the wrong way because the camera's down here. I think I want the camera up here. So let me switch that. There's a little locking nut here that locks the tension so it won't fall out. I did leave my case on it. The tension's pretty good with this. It's hard to, basically I'm saying it's hard. It's a little more of a, but this way, when I'm filming, and let's just go ahead and do that. When I'm filming, I'm not getting my fingers in front of the camera. It also makes it easier to hold it. I'm going to just reverse the video. So it just makes it easier to hold the camera and shoot the video. I'm going to show you what it looks like my camera video. I know it's not as good as my M6 Mark II, little plug there for Canon, but it definitely is a lot easier to hold this way. Now, here's the other big features. You can take lights. It actually has 3 spots on the top. It has 3 cold shoes. It has 2 screw-ins in case you want to mount something much more permanently. Let me just take this light, and I have multiple lights like this. I have Sconfo. I really like this one. And I also have this aperture small light, which is a lot lighter than most. So let's just, I'm just sticking it in there. And then the other thing you are going to want to do, is take a microphone, also hitch it to the top. Then you can take the adapter, one of these adapters, and hitch it into your phone. So now I've got my entire phone, microphone, light, which I can just turn on. I can turn on the light, have the microphone, can record. So now I can hold it out, and guess what? I've got this whole rig. This is all off Amazon. I think this is a win. I won't get my fingers in the way. It gives me a better microphone. It gives me the option of a light, and I know that's probably blinding. Let's just see if I can, I'll dim it a lot more. So now it's not outrageous. These little aperture lights with the diffuser on it really works. Wait a minute, I forgot one more thing. There is another screw spot to put, and so I put this handle on here so I could hold it out and shoot video, kind of like a selfie mode. Now, the only issue with this with an iPhone is you can't see yourself. There's no flip out screen. You're kind of shooting in the dark. But, so I would say when it comes to Ulanzi, this U-Rig Pro smartphone rig is something you should be looking at. Again, quick tech review. Hope you enjoyed this. Have any questions? Put them down in the comments. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.